Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Taylor.
And I'm Jack.
And welcome back to another Smokeshow Happy Hour, the New Year's edition.
What are we making today?
So today we have a pretty good twist on your regular champagne celebration drink. We're going to be adding some Olipop apple crisp soda and some elderflower liqueur. And some lemon juice too, but those are the two main components that are really going to add to it.
Yeah, this sounds super good. I'm excited about this one.
And we're going to be using champagne instead of Prosecco too. So I know that there's a bit of a difference there, but...
Yeah, so Prosecco is basically like, it uses similar grapes, but champagne has to be made using champagne grapes grown in Champagne, France. So...
There you go, that makes sense.
That's the difference, yeah. But otherwise, flavor is almost... I mean, I'm not like a sommelier, but almost identical.
There you go.
So grab whatever you can get.
We'll see. Let's get right into this and start making the drink.
Sweet.
So once you guys have a ½ ounce of your lemon juice measured out and a ½ ounce of your elderflower liqueur measured out, we're going to pour both of these into our champagne flute. And you shouldn't need to mix these together because topping it with the bubbles will basically mix it all together as much as you're going to need.
Nice and easy. Our favorite kind of drink.
Exactly.
All right.
So now we're going to crack open this Olipop Crisp Apple.
And I will open this while you're doing that. I promise not to hit you in the eye.
Yeah, please, let's not have any injuries, man. So we are going to use 2 ounces of our Olipop Crisp Apple. That's going to be just enough to get that apple flavor really shining through.
Sweet. Sarah always gets mad at me. I don't know if our viewers know this, but the correct way to open champagne, it shouldn't make a sound.
Really?
Yeah. And so Sarah always, whenever we celebrate something like that, it should just be like a little psst.
There you go.
And so whenever we celebrate something, she takes a video and she just gets so bummed out because she wants it to pop and explode. And I'm like, no, I'm not going to waste the champagne.
Here you go. Here is your...
Oh, thank you.
Measured it out for you already.
I'm still going to open mine because I want to taste it.
Yeah, I want to try mine
on its
too.
own. I don't know if you've ever had this.
I have not. This will be my first time trying an Olipop.
Cheers. Oh, wow.
You know, I see what the hype is about.
Yeah, I can see why that's trendy. Wow, that's fantastic.
That's so good.
That's like an adult apple juice.
And it's a prebiotic. That's pretty cool.
Not sponsored, but we should be, because that's amazing.
Olipop, hit us up. I don't know. It's a pretty good drink.
All right, you going to top yours off?
Yeah, let's go.
You can tell there's a lot of flavor in here, but you can also fit like a... I don't know if you've ever like made mimosas on Christmas or whatever, but when we do...
Oh, that's the only way I get through my Christmas is with mimosas.
Sometimes you need a little support from the mimosa, but when we make it, it's like champagne and then like bloop with orange juice.
See, mine is you have to bless your drink with the orange juice. If you dip your finger in the orange juice and add just a drop on top. Or if you make your mimosa with the orange juice sitting next to it, that's equally the same thing for me.
That is fantastic. Just an essence of orange.
I'm really excited to try this one.
Me too. It smells really good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy New Year. Oh, man.
That's refreshing.
Is fantastic. I got to tell you, anything with elderflower is like hands down immediately going to become one of my favorites, but this is actually fantastic. It's crisp from the Prosecco. We've got the sweetness of the elderflower, a little bit of that apple. This is like... Dude.
I think between this and our elderflower, it's a crazy combination right there. Because this alone, if you haven't tried this, is its own unique apple flavor too that's really kind of hard to come across in terms of the drink. But it mixes beautifully. Everything's hand in hand right here with the Prosecco and our elderflower too.
This
and the lemon juice adding that little bit of acidity, just kind of cutting through.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Cuts the sweetness a little bit, so it's more of like a refined, complex drink. Yeah, it's very good.
Absolutely. Highly recommend this for you guys, but I think this drink is really amazing. It's pretty good. I love this drink.
Almost as good as you. And I have to say, I know it's cheesy, but we do appreciate you guys. Everybody who watches these videos, everybody who interacts with our page or buys our products, like you guys allow us to do this for a living, and that's honestly such a cool thing. This is a lifelong dream of mine. I know Taylor absolutely loves doing the social media side of things.
It's been amazing. It's been a dream of mine to be able to produce content that people enjoy watching too. So even if you just did a quick scroll, if you dropped a like or a comment or anything like that, thank you. The rest of this year for you guys.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. If you guys did enjoy this video and this recipe, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, comment if you have any other recipes that you want to see us try. But until then, we'll see you guys in the New Year's. Cheers.
Cheers. Ah! I got so nervous.
That's not that messy.
You said it wasn't a mess.
Oh, well. Here's the aftermath of all of that. Dude, that was a lot. I'm not gonna lie.
Not looking forward to cleaning that up.